Restoring a 12-year-old MCC from the brink of obsolescence is no small feat. Originally procured to reliably power the platform's critical water injection system for enhanced oil recovery, the MCC now sat idle. And with each passing day of inactivity, the client was forced to carry the risk of operational inefficiency, declining production rate, equipment failures, and millions of dollars worth of investment locked away without generating any return. What was meant to power and protect their offshore operations had instead turned into a liability. Our client understood that the challenge wasn't ordinary. They needed someone who understood the realities of this unique context and who possessed the capability and experience to revive, integrate, and make the MCC field ready. And that's where we were called in. Rusted panels, displays dimmed beyond clarity, moisture damaged starters, failing relays, and hidden short circuits. Even the switchgears had mechanical faults. Basically, every layer revealed a new problem. Problems that might have faced anyone else, but not us. Leveraging our multidisciplinary expertise and over 3 decades of experience in offshore environments, we mobilized our team to deliver comprehensive restoration and commissioning services. From mechanical repair of LV and MV switchgear to high potential and contact resistance testing, relay parameterization, and soft starter commissioning, every step was executed with precision. Faulty components were identified and replaced, settings optimized based on ETAP studies, and finally, the MCC was energized and fully integrated into the client's operational architecture. Through Intech's client-centric solutions and expertise that ensure long-term serviceability, the MCC that was once left to dormancy for over 12 years is now powering the platform's critical water injection and production system.